Hi friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Valley RX or Valley X PLC. Now, if you look at this chart and the fall, because first let us start with a good thing that the stock has risen from its lows. It has already risen. I mean, you can see the rise. It's 2,37,422 odd percent or 237,100,000 percentage, and it's phenomenal that stock can move in percentage term 6 digits in a span of probably you can say in a span of 8 months. So it's phenomenal how this stock is moving. So it is listed in London Stock Exchange. Now, if you see the fall, so in 2000, the share was in 10 digits. So I'm not going to pronounce it. So whether it is in millions or billions. So means this is an exceptional case in terms of price move and in terms of fall, that a stock can fall from 10 digit to probably less than a digit. And now if you look at the rise, it's phenomenal that how we can explain the rise, and we can't believe unless we have seen these kind of cases still exist. So let me just move to the weekly chart rather than a monthly chart, otherwise it's very hard to just set up this chart on the screen. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see from a low of 0.02 it is now trading at 60. So in percentage term it is 1,96,598% or 196,100,000 percentage. So this is exceptional, and the stock continuously rising. Now if you look at the trend, what you can see here, so anyhow people are there across the world who are interested and trading in these kind of stocks. And just imagine who has taken his or her position at the lower end of the range in point zero 0.02 or zero 0.03, and the kind of rise it has given in last 6 months. I mean, he or she definitely turned his or her fortune. And if they have identified it and purchased it, they are like can't say they are simply like millionaires or billionaires. So what we can do here, we will go step by step, and let me just restrict myself till this point. We will see once the uh, particular script will go beyond that. Now these kind of things won't happen every now and then. So you can see how money has made and how magic has happened. Now with this move, the immediate stop for this or a support for this stock will come at 33.7, then 25.3. Now understand this, with this kind of phenomenal rise you cannot expect anything more than that. It doesn't matter whether you are sitting or invested in a stock which is trading in US, UK, Canada, London, India, or Germany, or any part of the world. So this kind of rise, having this kind of rise in a span of 5 6 months, and the stock is still going up, so you cannot expect more than that. What I need to do here is, we see, when looking at the trends, we cannot say how long or how far the trend can go, either on the upside or on the downside. So we have to move along with the trend. So if the trend is up, we are going to say up, else we are going to say down. Now it is up, but it is the responsibility of everybody, those who are invested in money and those who are putting some information on the table, to talk about the risk first rather than the profit, because that is the most important thing you need to manage and you need to take care of. Now we have our first support at 33, then we have 25.3. Then if it falls below 25, then the next will come at 7.95. So this is the big thing which you need to understand. And then we have 2.7. So these support levels are very important, and you can sense the kind of uh, if in case of adverse scenario, if it turns down, how long or how deep can the correction be. And after 2.9 you have 0.96. So you need to observe and be mindful of this kind of support levels. On the upside, your next target will be at 100.69, and once it crossed that, we have 339.65 on the higher side. Now we are looking at monthly chart, but the way the stock is moving, we don't know how long or how far it can go on the upside. You just keep your finger crossed, and if you have taken your position, and almost be aware about the risk which you are taken, because the kind of rise it has seen. So you cannot think that let's say the rally started here or here. The rally, actual rally, started here from the lows of March, and now it is at 61 dollars, 60 and 61 uh, GBP. Now, looking at this current trend, we have 103.39 on the upside. So let's see how the trend goes and how far it will go on the upside. So for the timing, it is up. So you have to go along with the trend, but you need to know about your risk and trail your stop losses accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.